Will AI take over your job? Bill Gates thinks so. In the next 10 years, AI could replace doctors and teachers. This isn't just a wild guess. It's a prediction from one of the most influential tech visionaries of our time. But is this a bold vision or a real threat? The implications are vast and complex. Let's dive into Bill Gates' prediction. Recently, on a public platform, Gates shared his belief that AI will soon provide high-quality medical advice and personalized education. He envisions a future where AI can diagnose illnesses, recommend treatments, and even offer mental health support. Similarly, in education, AI could tailor learning experiences to individual students, making education more effective and engaging. He says this could make these services accessible to everyone, breaking down barriers that currently exist due to cost and location. But along with opportunities come concerns. The idea of AI replacing human professionals raises questions about job security and the quality of care and education. In healthcare, AI is already making strides. For instance, AI algorithms are being used to analyze medical images and detect diseases at an early stage. Google's AI can detect cancer, and AI chatbots are offering medical consultations, providing quick and accurate responses to patient queries. Gates pointed out that AI could address the shortage of doctors and mental health professionals, especially in underserved areas. In education, AI tutors are providing personalized learning experiences, and AI-generated lesson plans are helping teachers manage their workload more efficiently. Imagine a world where every student has access to a top-notch education tailored just for them. This could revolutionize the way we learn and teach. But let's look at both sides of the debate. While the potential benefits are enormous, the risks and ethical considerations cannot be ignored. On one hand, AI can make healthcare and education more accessible worldwide. This could be a game changer for rural and underserved communities. Imagine rural areas having access to specialist medical advice, or students in underserved communities getting world-class education. The possibilities are endless. On the other hand, there are concerns. Will AI reduce the need for human professionals? What happens to those whose jobs are replaced by machines? Will AI reduce the need for human professionals? Can it replace the empathy and real-life experience that human doctors and teachers provide? Can it replace the empathy and real-life experience that human doctors and teachers provide? These are critical questions we need to address. Remember Harry Harlow's famous experiment with monkeys. It highlighted the importance of personal connection and emotional bonding. It highlighted the importance of personal connection. Human touch and empathy are irreplaceable aspects of healthcare and education. These are questions we need to consider. The future of AI in these fields is not just about technology, but about how we integrate it into our lives. Experts suggest that the future isn't about AI completely taking over, but about human-AI collaboration. This could enhance the capabilities of professionals rather than replace them. Gates envisions AI learning from the best professionals to provide 24/7 availability while still connecting with humans. This hybrid approach could be the key to success. AI could discover new treatments and keep students motivated. So, what's next? The future is full of possibilities, and we are just beginning to explore them. With Elon Musk's XAI acquiring X, formerly known as Twitter, and developing Grok, a chatbot with advanced generative AI capabilities, the future is closer than we think. The integration of AI into social media platforms could change the way we interact online. Imagine combining XAI's tech with X's reach. What do you think? The potential for AI to enhance our daily lives is immense, but it also comes with challenges. Should AI replace doctors and teachers, or should it just be an assistant? The debate continues, and your opinion matters. Let me know in the comments. Your thoughts and experiences can help shape the future of AI in these critical fields. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of technology and innovation.